This American omelette is so delicious and suitable for breakfast. You can make it with any vegetables you have at home, so don't lose it. Pour oil in a pan, then heat it on medium flame, then add chopped vegetables. Vegetables are optional and you can omit every one you want, and saute them and set aside. Mix egg, salt and pepper. Melt butter in a pan and add egg mixture, then pour some mozzarella cheese and cover with lid and let cheeses melt. Pour fried vegetables on half of egg and fold another side over the vegetable side. Cook until golden brown.